Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Strava app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Strava app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Strava app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.